What's up, my good people? So pause, just pause, and let me take you back to when music was music. Let's look at Mr. Nice. He was a Tanzanian icon, veteran singer, and the most celebrated vocalist in East Africa, alongside the likes of Jua Kali, of course, of Kenya, and Jose Chameleone of Uganda. His professionalism began in the late 1990s and rose to fame in the early 2000s for his hit songs like Fagilia, Rafiki, and Kikulacho. His other songs include Kidalipo, First Lady, Kingasti, Nakuita Kila Mtu, among many other songs. Famously known for his Takeo style, Takeo simply stands for Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda. Coming to his music, he targeted both kids and adults and was enjoyed all over. He was an outstanding artist. During his career, his music career, of course, he performed in different countries in Africa, and outside Africa, he toured countries like Rwanda, Burundi, Kenya, Uganda, Zambia, China, among many other countries. Despite his success, Mr. Nice later went bankrupt and relocated to Kenya. According to him, he moved his career to Kenya because Tanzanians no longer appreciated his work, but Kenyans did and still do. This is something he didn't like, how Tanzanians pretend to forget his songs and yet they used to enjoy them. Another reason for his relocation was a business disagreement. According to him, he had a business disagreement with cartels in Tanzania who threatened him using the word, "you'll see." To him, Kenya has been more than a home. He said in an interview, I'll quote, "It's the only place I knew I'd stay or die. It's the first place to give me a life." He also said that he bought his first car while in Kenya. That's after using his mom's car for a while. Mr. Nice is now Kenyan based and married to a Kenyan lady and has a family. He didn't stop singing. He just didn't want to be enslaved to music. And right now, he owns a studio right here in Kenya and he uses it to support upcoming artists. Mr. Nice is still a legend to date and is remembered for his great works and amazing songs. You know that, of course, you've heard his hit songs. Very nice song. Let us know in the comments below which musician from those days you want us to look into. Share, like, and don't forget that GTN Africa is always there for you. Bye bye.